My name is Patricia Mtimba. I came from Zambia. My child's name is Vincent Mbaiwa. Came from Zambia. She was a problem for heart problem. So the doctor, told me, your child will go to India for operate. So that's why I came here in India. So I came here. The doctor, she see him. She said she got a hole. So she operated. The operation was fine. Until now, she's feeling better now. 8 years from suffering for problem. I was feeling very bad. Yes, for suffering for 8 years, it's not easy. It's not easy. Until now, my God, she's answered me. She operated. I want to only thank God for your job you've done. Continue to do the job like this. Only God. I'm going to pray. Only that I want to say my word. Only God. Continue to do with your job. Only God will bless you all the time. Yes, I want to thank only God for saving my life for my child. Yes, it's not easy. It's not easy for 8 years suffering. Only God who knows you're going to prepare for you. Me, I can't give you anything, only God. Only God. You're going to provide you everything, only God. I don't have word to say, only God. Continue with your job all the time. God bless you. Yes, I'm done.